Hello everyone. I request you all to go through the disclaimer first. Today we are going to study about 9 planets and 27 nakshatras. These 27 nakshatras are equally divided into 3 parts to each planet. So, one planet owns 3 nakshatra. Here you can see there is a 360 degrees circle which is equally divided into 12 parts. One sign equal to 30 degrees. For the better understanding, I have simplified the same process in a square type. Here I have converted the same 360 degrees to a square type chart. It's an Vedic birth chart, South Indian style or South Indian format, where it starts with Aries, ends with Pisces. Let us see. Aries and Scorpio belongs to Mars. Taurus and Libra belongs to Venus. Gemini and Virgo belongs to Mercury. Cancer belongs to Moon. Leo belongs to Sun. Here Pisces and Sagittarius belongs to Jupiter. Aquarius and Capricorn belongs to Saturn. Let us proceed further for a detailed study. Here you can see I have displayed the 27 nakshatra. Starts with Ashwini, ends with Revati. First nakshatra is Ashwini, last nakshatra is Revati, that is 27th. And here at the right hand side corner you can see all the 9 planets starting from Ketu and ends with Mercury. Each planet has 3 nakshatras: Ketu, Venus, Sun, Moon, Mars, Rahu, Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury. Let's proceed further for detailed study. Assume this 360 degrees. I am going to split it into each 30 degrees by 12 parts. So totally consists of 360 degrees. But each sign contains 30 degrees. I will be dividing each nakshatra into degrees by simplifying the process. Let's proceed. Ashwini nakshatra. It belongs to Ketu. It starts with 0 degree in Aries and ends at 13.2 degrees in Aries. Second nakshatra is Bharani, which belongs to Venus. It starts from 13.2 degree Aries to 26.4 degree Aries. Third nakshatra is Kritikai, which starts from 26.4 degree Aries to 10 degrees Taurus. Kritikai nakshatram belongs to Sun. Rohini nakshatra belongs to Moon, which starts from 10 degree from Taurus to 23.2 degree Taurus. The fifth nakshatra is Mrigashesha. Mrigashesha nakshatra belongs to Mars. Start from 23.2 degree Taurus to 6.4 degrees at Gemini. The sixth nakshatra is Ardhra nakshatra. It belongs to Rahu and it starts from 6.4 degree Gemini to 20 degrees Gemini. The seventh nakshatra is Punarvasuhu, which belongs to Jupiter. 20 degrees Gemini to 3.2 degrees Cancer. The eighth nakshatra is Pushya, which belongs to Saturn, which starts from 3.2 degree Cancer to 16.4 degrees Cancer. The ninth nakshatra is Ashleshya nakshatra. The location or the degree is 16.4 degrees Cancer to 30 degrees Cancer. The 10th nakshatra is Maham. It belongs to Ketu. It starts from 0 degree Leo to 13.2 degrees Leo. The 11th nakshatra is Purva Phalguni. which belongs to Venus, which starts from 13.2 degree Leo to 26.4 degrees Leo. The 12th nakshatra is Uttara Phalguni, which belongs to Sun, which starts from 26.4 degree Leo to 10 degree Virgo. The 13th nakshatra is Hasta, which belongs to Moon, and it starts from 10 degree Virgo to 23.2 degrees Virgo. 14th nakshatra is Chitra, which belongs to Mars, which starts from 23.2 degree Virgo to 6.4 degrees Libra. The 15th nakshatra is Swati, which belongs to Rahu, and the location, it starts from 6.4 degrees Libra to 20 degrees Libra. The 16th nakshatra is Vishaka, which belongs to Jupiter, which starts from 20 degrees Libra to 3.2 degrees Scorpio. The 17th nakshatra is Anuradha, which starts from 3.2 degrees Scorpio to 16 degrees Scorpio. 18th nakshatra is Jaistha, which belongs to Mercury, which starts from, the location starts from 16.4 degrees Scorpio to 30 degrees Scorpio. The 19th nakshatra is Mula, which belongs to Ketu, which starts from, the location starts from 0 degrees to 13.2 degrees Sagittarius. The 20th nakshatra is Purva Ashada, which belongs to Venus. The location starts from 13.2 degrees to 26.4 degrees Sagittarius. The 21st nakshatra is Uttara Ashada, which belongs to Sun. Starts from 26.4 degrees Sagittarius to 10 degrees Capricorn. The 22nd nakshatra is Sharavana, is 10 degrees Capricorn to 23.2 degrees Capricorn. The 23rd nakshatra is Dhanistha, which belongs to Mars. Location starts from 23.2 degrees Capricorn to 6.4 degrees Aquarius. The 24th nakshatra is Sadbisa. Sadbisa belongs to Rahu, and the location starts from 6.4 degrees Aquarius to 20 degrees Aquarius. The 25th nakshatra is Purva Bhadra, which belongs to Jupiter. The location starts from 20 degrees Aquarius to 3.2 degrees Pisces. The 26th nakshatra is Uttara Bhadra, which belongs to Saturn, and the location starts from 3.2 degrees Pisces to 16.4 degrees Pisces, and it belongs to Saturn. The 27th nakshatra belongs to Mercury, which is Revati. Revati nakshatra belongs to Mercury, and the location starts from 16.4 degrees Pisces to 30 degrees Pisces. For any consultation or horoscope making, you can contact to my website. I have given the link in the description box. You can reach me through telephone, WhatsApp, Telegram, mobile. You can contact me at the number 9282103960. I request you all to subscribe the channel, press the bell button so that you can get the latest information at the faster rate. Thank you very much.